What's up, guys? We are going out to do some fishing at Red Rock Reservoir. We got me and my bro Matthew here. We're going out and we're gonna be doing all kinds of fishing. We're going to, yeah, at the base of the dam. Yeah. There'll be catfish. There'll be, you know, really whatever kind of fish you would want. So
catch a gar. Yeah,
we'll be heading out there, and it'll be about a half-hour drive, and then we'll get down to the dam and we will start fishing and hopefully get on those catfish and other fish. Other than that, we're just gonna start driving.
See you there.
What? We just started on the highway, so we'll be there in like a half an hour, and it's 11:16 right now. So by 12 o'clock we will be fishing. So yeah, pretty exciting. We're just gonna keep on driving. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Red Rock Dam, 2 miles away, and we're just gonna get down there. We're gonna go to the base of the dam and check it out. Yeah, throw in some lines. We might even go up to the lake. I don't even know. We can really do anything.
Catch some.
What is in the lake even?
There's like gar in the lake.
Gar? Okay.
There's like, there's like catfish in the lake. Bass in the lake.
All I've ever caught in there is catfish.
Yeah.
Have you
That's all he's ever caught out there.
Have you ever caught?
I caught these little like bait fish.
Oh. Gizzard shad.
Gizzard shad. Yeah, I caught 12 of them.
With a fishing pole?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That'd be fun. That'd be something.
Yeah.
Park on dam.
Dang.
Anyways,
here
it is.
There's the lake. It's a beautiful lake.
This is awesome. We have not been out here this year yet.
What if they didn't let you fish here because of the coronavirus? That'd be horrid. It closes at 11 p.m., so we can only stay here till 11.
Alright, where are we parking?
I think there's parking here. There's a lot less cars over here. Now we can walk down that path right up.
Alright guys, we have found a spot, and this is the last of the gear. There's Matthew up there, and I'm just carrying a little bit, but we got most of our stuff down there, and we're just going to set up and then start fishing. Alright, so this is the place we found. We're not quite at the bottom of the dam because there's way too many people down there, but we're on this little sandbar. There's one guy fishing right there. And guys, on this beach, there's so many dead carp that people have thrown up after they caught them. They've just left them on shore. Right there.
That might be a golden eye.
Those are drum. Anyways, we got all this stuff. And
dead fish. It's disgusting.
Yeah, so here's where we're at. It's a massive sandbar, and there's a few people fishing, but not too bad. So we're just gonna get our lines set up and then we'll talk again. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so we have 2 lines out so far. You're allowed 2 per person in Iowa. I don't know, whatever you want to do. And so right now, these are just bottom rigs, and we got worms on both of them. And he's gonna throw out something else, a spinner.
Nice large spoon.
We're gonna throw on that daredevil. And then we have this bait. It's a chub and a frog. So I think I'm gonna set up another line and just throw that out there with some of the frog or chub on. Other than that, we will just be waiting and until we catch some fish.
Probably catch something on. Oh, I'll get the net.
Get him.
Got him.
Nice.
Got something. It's a drum.
Yeah, we got a drum.
We got food. It's a pretty nice one, I think. That's what I'm guessing. Got my pliers?
Oh yeah, he swallowed it.
Here.
So that's, my line is not moving very much, but
Well,
we got him. Oh, he swallowed that.
I can see it. Okay, let's get him on land.
Here, here, no, put him back. Is it on?
Yep, it's on.
All right, so that hook was in there pretty deep.
So we're just gonna cut it off. We cut it off.
Cut the line. Leave a little bit of line trailing so it doesn't like get stuck in my throat.
Yeah.
And that'll come out eventually, but
Eventually.
we're just gonna let him go.
It's a pretty nice fish, but
Hoping to catch some catfish or something else to be free.
Pretty fish.
They are.
Well,
Right.
we'll see you next bite. Holy crud, that's a humongous crappie. Want to weigh it up?
Sure. I just threw out,
Oh, worm, a little bit of worm.
I just had a worm on a bobber.
Let's scale.
Anyways,
There's the humongous crappie. That was
so
just
we just had a bobber out with some worm, and I
bam, right away.
got this crappie that it just went right under. Yeah.
Want to weigh
I
this
don't know
up?
what I'm gonna do with it yet, but
We should eat it.
I don't know. We'll see.
One.
Got one. I
Got
don't
one.
know what it is.
It could be anything. Oh, a nice carp. What do you want to do with this carp? You could smoke it, or you could cook it. You want to eat it?
Oh, it's not covered in sand.
But you could probably... I don't know why everybody's throwing these carp on land, even if they are trash fish. Okay, fine. They're probably a good reason, like...
So I got a carp.
Nice carp?
Not
Nice carp. We got a good assortment of fish for eating.
Should we put him down first?
Yeah. Here, I'll get my knife.
Right, shut off the camera. That's good.
Sorry, guys, we can't show.
Alright guys, so I was just over there by those rocks and using the bobber, and I caught a pretty nice sunny right there. Caught that pretty fast. So what we have now is we have the crappie, the sunny, and then we have the carp and a little bit of a white bass, and then we have a smaller sunny down in there. So we got a pretty good meal taking form. Matthew's gonna go and try to catch more sunnies over there. So we'll see how that goes.
Sunny. Choked it.
So he was back over there where I just was, and
Finally
he
caught
caught
the
that
first fish.
sunny. The first fish he's caught today.
Oh, got the angle.
Unlike me, I've caught
So much more than that.
caught a drum, a carp, and a crappie, and a bluegill, and that's Matt's first fish. So
Today, not my whole life. He's got one. He's got one.
oh, this thing's big.
It's a big thing. Hopefully it's a catfish. Nope, it's not a catfish. It's a nice drum. Want to keep this one? Probably let it go.
Oh my.
Oh, it's just it's in the mouth. Pull it out.
I got it. I'm
Okay.
filming.
Okay, I'll do my job. Nice drum. You're gonna keep it, or you're gonna let it go? It looks like a perfect eating size for me. Eat him? Oh, okay. Whoa, look at the side of its head.
Oh, that's gross.
It's disgusting. It's probably gonna die. Like bloated skills.
If you know what that is, leave
Gill.
a comment.
Comment.
What, should we let it go?
We could keep it. It's like the perfect eating size. We don't need to catch any more
I
fish.
think that actually might be natural. I'm not sure.
Maybe. Wanna let this one go?
So I'm just gonna
Okay,
let it
stop
go.
bloating.
I have so many, I don't need that guy. Go along. Anyways, we're gonna go take the camera over there and try to catch some sunnies. Alright guys, I'm in the car. Matt's back. He's still fishing, he's watching this stuff. I'm making a run to Casey's to get some worms and ice. We ran out of worms. Then we're gonna go try to catch some more sunnies. It's about 3 o'clock right now. So we're gonna try to do a little bit more fishing. And who knows how long we'll stay out. We might stay out pretty late. That remains to be seen, but we're gonna just get those worms in the ice and then we will continue to go fishing. All right, we're back over here at the rocks and I got the worm on and I'm gonna just throw it in. We both have bobbers, so we're just gonna throw in and try to catch some sunnies, see what happens.
The first sunny gets a doll hair.
Oh, he's got one. He's got a big one. Oh, that one's huge.
It's a look at this monster.
Oh, what a leg.
He swallowed the hook again.
Ah. And let me guess, you didn't bring any hooks.
Yes, I brought.
Alright. Well, mine's over there. So.
I brought the.
Hold that thick boy up.
Oh yeah, checky one time, boys.
Got one.
God.
Got him, boys.
Oh, but that's kind of small.
Get him. He dropped his fish. Oh no, he just came off.
Fires. That's why, boy.
We got doubles, and we'll be eating good on these boys. So, yeah, we're just gonna
button.
Be quiet. We're just gonna try to catch some more, and we will be back when we got some more fish.
Do not catch a sunfish. Okay, now just set the hook, set it. Now you've got one. A nice, pretty fish right there.
This one we hooked pretty cleanly, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let him go.
Okay, you want a bigger one? Hey. Pretty fish. Alright.
Now we're gonna go ahead and clean some of the fish, or all the fish we have so far. It's only about 3, it's close to 4 right now, but we'll start eating at like 5. Just start cooking.
It's chilly.
We got that tonight.
Pancake. Did you dispatch of it yet?
I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to look away.
Oh, that makes me cringe. Okay, he's dispatched of. Probably shouldn't be holding the knife like that anymore.
Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and fillet this boy. Such a sharp knife.
Is it actually sharp?
No, not really. It's actually kind of dull.
Whoops. Whoops. And I was like, what? What are those, huh? Fillets? What is a fillet?
Nice fillets right here.
Fillets.
Look at those.
Look at that.
That's gonna have some meat on there.
Crappie or catfish.
That is nice.
Oh, this fillet.
That will sell well on the market. I'm joking. We're not gonna sell.
Yeah, I'd rather eat that than pay for money than.
Alright.
Are we just gonna gut the sunnies?
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
So we're just gonna finish up the crappie and then we'll go and do all the sunnies. Everywhere.
It's coarse and it gets in your hair.
Okay. Alright guys, so we have this breading we made. It's just flour, cornmeal, some spices, and we
Secret
have the fish.
spices.
Oh yeah, secret spices. We have the fish breaded.
Some of it.
That's some of it, not all of it. We just have some of the sunnies. So our oil is right here. And it's almost ready, so we're gonna go ahead and drop it in, I think. But first, we got some of the Old Bay spice.
Check it out. Links in the description. Nah, I'm joking.
Anyways, we're just gonna sprinkle that on there. That'll really spice it up if you want to.
It'll jack it up.
Let's hear the sizzle. Oh.
Sounds like heaven.
I'm finding it hard to believe.
Get in heaven. Don't want your fans to die, Lucas. That looks so good.
Oh yeah. I cannot wait to eat this, guys.
Yep. So delicious.
Anyways, that's what we're gonna do with those, and we'll probably do the same thing for the crappie and the other filleted sunfish. And then we got some buns. So with those fillets, we'll make some fish sandwiches. But other than that, we'll meet you in a little bit once we're done cooking these.
The deliciousness.
Deep fried fish.
Get your fish out, fish fillet. I ain't going to Chick-fil-A anymore. Not that I've ever been there.
Stop.
I'm going to fish fillet.
He's just talking.
Just talking.
Alright. Oh.
Oh my. You want to use a knife?
Yeah, probably.
Here, it's fine. It just
The
looks
fork is a little
damaged.
This will sell well on the market.
That white back should get actually.
Guys, so we have a slight problem. We overdid it a bit.
It's like bacon.
I've never deep fried fish, but we'll
Let's
still.
see the crunch though.
That is so. That's a horrible shot. Anyways,
Let's try the white.
we have a little bit though. We have actually a good amount is still good. Like that.
That's good.
That's good right there.
Yeah, I want some of that.
So we're just gonna eat this stuff, and then we'll be back
Oh, this one's perfect.
cooking the fillets. So yeah, we'll be back.
Yep.
No,
He dropped the fillet in the grass.
it's all sandy. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and bread these, and then we'll cook them up, and then make a sandwich.
Go.
Guys, we got the fillets. Check these out. That is a nice crappie fillet. We got 2 of those. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them in half. So
For the fish sandwiches.
yeah.
Trembling with deliciousness.
All right, now let's go ahead and throw some of these in. We got the smaller sunny fillets.
Those are cooking fast. We don't want to burn them like last time.
Yeah, we overdid the.
By we, he means him.
We overdid them a little bit. I overdid them a little bit. But we still got some good meat, but we just got to watch these a little bit more closely so we don't burn them.
They look delicious though.
Alright guys, so those cooked very quickly. So
We didn't burn them this time.
we didn't burn them, so that's good. So we're gonna throw on these crappie fillets now.
Oh, you haven't put the crappie fillets on?
Nope. That's a half of one. These are huge. And then we'll take these out. And then we shall make a fish sandwich and feast.
Upon the Doritos. And the fish.
Yes.
And the chips. I already said. You fool.
We're trying to toast the bread. I don't know how good it'll be, but
We could like. Oh,
oh crap.
that bread's on fire. Get it off.
This is so hard.
You just want to not do that.
You know, we're giving up.
That's probably almost done.
This stuff. Oh, it's already falling apart.
That's done. Woo!
Well, we gotta cook the top a little bit. Check this out, guys. Come closer.
So delicious. My mouth's watering.
She said
Chips we will have. Soda we have. Fish we have. Bread we have.
The crappie is pretty much done.
Or some people, crappie.
Crappie.
But crappie is not crappy. That's so funny. Not really.
Now we're gonna put these boys on
Bread.
bread.
Golden loaves of half breads.
Yes.
So
But one of those big ones.
So 2 fillets. Then spice up your sandwich.
I'm just gonna leave mine plain.
Oh,
That looks really good, guys. Matthew is putting Doritos on his.
I use them for everything.
Mmm.
Oh.
That is really hot. The fish is hot still,
But it's so good.
but it's really good. Look at that, that's perfectly cooked. Well, I would say this was a success today, wouldn't you? Pretty much done. That's all the fish we have caught, except we have one carp left that we haven't eaten yet.
We're gonna smoke that at home.
We're gonna smoke that at home. Other than that, we might stay a little bit longer and do a little more fishing. Who knows? But other than that, we're just gonna go ahead and dig into this fish. It's really good. Okay, so we are done at the dam. We got all the gear in the back and we're done fishing. It was pretty great, a lot of fun, and right now we're just heading out to go home. So it was a great day overall, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on another
Epic adventure.
yeah, see you guys later.